close.
I don't know, honey. What color red do you want it to be? It's a tomato. Today is February the 12th, 2020. This garden was planted November the 24th, a couple days before Thanksgiving. And we are doing fabulous. I'm gonna save the tomatoes for last. Let's go over here. Oh my God, look at this broccoli, baby. Oh my goodness. I didn't see this today when I came out. That needs to be harvested.
Oh, we gotta cut that today.
Unbelievable. Oh my God, look at the cabbage.
Oh shit, we're in trouble.
How are we gonna eat all this cabbage? Oh my God, look at that. Oh, baby, look at the eggplant. Oh my goodness. Look at this broccoli. We got a lot of cabbage, honey. Are you gonna cut it now?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. I'm gonna get it on video.
I'm gonna cut it right there.
Wait, there's another one growing out the side of it, isn't it?
Right down here?
No, up higher. On the side.
Which side?
See the big head? Right over there on the side.
Oh.
See it there, babe? If you can, avoid that one, so we can let that one grow back out.
Isn't that hard to avoid?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I need a...
Oh my God. That's awesome. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
That's ready.
Oh, it's definitely ready.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Look at there. Oh my, look at this cabbage. Is that beautiful or what?
Did you hear that? I think there's a hole in the ground.
Yeah, right.
How do you harvest that? What, do you get underneath it and cut it?
Yeah, you just take the whole doggone thing in. Do you see any cauliflower down in there yet? Baby, don't molest it. Oh, this one has it. Look, honey. Oh, my goodness.
Oh.
Look at that.
All right.
Oh, look at this one, how big it is. It wasn't there the other day, honey. We were just out here.
Oh, this one too, and this one too. Holy cow!
Oh my gosh, this is so awesome.
That's humongous.
Now the lettuce is going to bolt there, but you know what? I've had my fill of lettuce. How about you?
I don't, you know.
But we got another one coming up right around there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yep. So just leave those in. They'll drop the seeds, and then we'll get one. Look at all the strawberries, honey.
Oh, 1, 2, 3,
Look
4,
around on this side.
5,
They're big.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, or more.
And it's going over the vine really, really nice over the trellis, right? I think that's awesome.
It looks happy
Just
up
awesome.
there.
You have any green beans?
I'm afraid to look.
Oh, I see some more tomatoes turning colors under here too.
I need to go get my little bucket, unless you can hold that.
I can hold the broccoli. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's our first broccoli. I've never grown a head of broccoli, never. I see green beans. Be careful with that scissor, you don't stab the rest of the plant. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna go around it. I'm not gonna even try to count all these tomatoes. It's just crazyville. What a wonderful garden we had this year. This mint's not doing well, but I think that's because it's been so cold. But this one's fine. More tomato plants, more tomato plants. Oh, your peppers are bright red, honey. And there's a great big bush in here that needs to go into the fire pit. Yeah, we got some really, really red peppers down there now, babe. And the cilantro has grown like crazy again. More cilantro. You don't cut that back soon, we're gonna have cilantro flowers. All right, let's see. Tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes in there. Yep. This branch is down, honey. Look at those tomatoes. Wow. There's about 6 right there in that clump.
Wow. The rest of the plant doesn't look all
It's
that.
killing that rope. The rope does not have a chance. And here we are. More tomatoes. This tomato is ready to go in the house. We can have that with our dinner tonight. That one. Wowee.
I'm gonna reach in and get that.
All right, you get it. Oh, a successful garden this year. And like I said, we planted this November the 24th. And here we are. We have had countless numbers of, oh, you got that tomato. Countless salads from this garden. Oregano, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm thinking this one too.
There's 2 right there, honey, that need to go in.
I think you're right.
Yeah. You just screwed off like a light bulb?
Yeah, that's what I did with that one.
Do you want to take that one also?
Not this.
No, you don't think
This
so?
one.
I think it would do well in the window. But that's fine. That's plenty. It's gonna be too much tomato for tonight.
That's the one that got disfigured between the.
Yeah, it's
it's-
pressed up against that pole.
Going to taste just fine.
Wow, unbelievable. Wonderful, wonderful.
Even the squash happens to look like it's rebounding.
Oh, I'm not even gonna think about that squash anymore. Oh, but look at the spinach, babe. I walked right by and didn't notice it.
We're gonna have to start harvesting spinach.
Yeah, that needs to go in also. Nice, very nice. There you are. First harvest of the year. I think we're gonna be out here quite a bit, grabbing up cabbage, cauliflower. I'm just floored with the cauliflower though. Oh my goodness, can't believe it.
We kept looking for.
Yeah, every time I come out, I look, nothing. I'm like, well, where's the cauliflower gonna come? And it came out big and bold.
These tomatoes.
All right.
Wow.